Hey guys, it's Marco here. So this time we won't talk about Terrain Mixer. We'll talk about Eevee Art Shader. So Eevee Art Shader kit, because I have received some questions. So I would like to show you how you can do something very interesting inside of it, and at the same time it's very easy to do. So if we go inside Blender, you will see I have some aliens that I did here in this scene, and they already have this cool effect to them. You know that you can do all sorts of variations. This is just one of the styles, so you can, you know, do all sorts of things with the shading, and here you have all the variations that you can use and then randomize them and so on. But what if we want to do something that gives even more detail to the scene, for example, like shadow falling on them, or even if you want to animate something, you know, like that, something that gives more dynamic to your artwork or your animation. So this is a cool little trick that you can do. You can go here to the diffuse BSDF and add Shift A and add the texture. For example, we could add I don't know, Musgrave texture. If you're using node wrangle, just press Ctrl T, you know, so you can also add the mapping node and the terrain, the texture coordinate. We can go to the this will work as well, but okay, let's use it like this. And what you can do, you can plug this in, and you will see you already get some sort of, you know, additional shadows to it. That's actually just a Musgrave texture, and you can scale it down a bit, which gives this larger islands, or scale it up a bit, which gives this smaller islands. You can do the same with the noise texture or any other, or combine them. And now if you want to animate this, for example, these aliens are ready to attack somewhere from the shadow, you know, and there's a traffic going on a few meters in front of them, and they're behind some sort of either trees or whatever, and you can show that by just animating the texture location. So let's crank it up, crank it out a bit. So you do just this. So this is like a very cool effect, and as I said, you can do this with any other texture available inside Blender, or even add your own image texture, just to, you know, adjust the mapping, and that's it. This is a cool angle. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for listening me, and we'll be back soon with new tutorials. Cheers.